All right. So we've been plucking away at this thing. We got front brakes all ran to a T-block here. Got some stainless speedway brake lines. Ran it to both sides. Don't mind that wiring mess. I put in a Barnes four-wheel drive battery box. They're super cheap, affordable, easy. I mean, I just used some scrap iron to hold it up, but that whole tray is not going anywhere. I mean, it's stout. Nice box, love it. That's the way we went. Got some taillights put on, got to wire them in. Transmission's full of oil. I got full torque drive line. They're out of Hayden, Idaho. They built that for us, along with every drive line I've ordered. So with having the front and rear brakes done, we started picking away at the inside of the cab. And anyways, we got it all sealed up, seam sealed. Just threw a coat of bed liner on. Thanks everybody for watching. And I appreciate everybody that's joining into my channel and giving me some likes, sharing my videos. Means a lot.
Plate here, and then just bolt this up from the bottom. Maybe.
You mean we gotta jack the battery in?
No, I mean, you have to lift it up. Coming right here. Bolts in. Pain. That's a bad idea.
We're gonna mount the battery box.
Battery cable.
Oh.
We're gonna build battery cables.
Okay.
Jade has to run that one white wire along the frame. I might build some brake lines that drop down, follow the frame up, T to each front tire. But we gotta get it jacked on jack stands, build the battery box so he can start building battery cables, and put that in. And I'm gonna start on brakes.
This one could weld right to the outside here.
Well, that's what I was thinking. You can come up right here, straight up to this, to hold your battery. And then you come up, you know, up straight up to here, weld here, and straight up to here and weld there.
That's some kind of lip.
Yeah. 12 inches.
Oh, never mind. I see a terminal on the wrong side. Huh?
Yeah.
I guess it don't really matter. That cable's long enough for either way. Alright.
Tried telling you.
Alright, hook that up. Keep it PG too. It's stupid. How'd you do? You don't want to loom this at all?
Nah. Can you get in there to P-clamp all that?
As long as I keep it on the side, should be
Take
fine.
this one up here and we can P-clamp it back here easy enough.
Yeah? Oh, let's go. P-clamp nation.
P-clamp racing.
Interrogation.
Oh, before I put that battery away, just want to hit on the frame to the ground.
I gotta run that little, don't be connected yet.
No, I won't, but I should weld the stud there so we can bolt it.
Can't you just use them old shit bolts from the body mount?
No, let's make it real. Don't be dumb. Batteries explode if we weld next time, right?
That's what they say on the streets.
Pretty sure. Want to find out?
What's your full impact driver so measure?
The ratchet?
It's the impact driver for the people. Or am I good?
It's gonna fall on you.
Not your problem.
Ground post.
What we could do a. What are you talking about? There. Good enough. Put the battery in there.
That's a wee bit up. Maybe not. I'll hold my hand up for this. I don't want to blow up when we get in a wreck. Big deal.
Oh, no big deal.
Ooh, we'll do negative side first. In case you shove it.
No, do a positive first. Then you can ground that.
We need to change settings in that. It wants to shut off and quit. Well, this is obviously the worst brake tool in the world. They literally sealed off the end of this. They didn't even cut it, they just mushed it in. Garbage.
Perfect. That's easy. Creepy even welding on this stuff.
Can't see you under there. Snowball, get out of the way.
Snowball.
Is that his name?
How are we gonna start it still?
Yep. Right in the back of this car. All right, got brake lines from a pickup. Extra. Brakes. I picked a belt up today. I'm trying to figure it still up there and that there.
Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Leave it wide open.
High five. Yeah. Lay down.
Old paratrooper. Started on that.
Bang.
Pretty sure that's how that works. Isn't that how brakes work?
Yeah, that'll work good.
He's gonna get soft, right?
Oh.
Just needs his pedal to feel like he has brakes. Bubbles going away? No. Am I getting low on fluid?
You get down there.
I can feel it starting to get some pressure on the pedal. Going, there's no more bubbles bursting out. Trying to debate on where I want to put it.
Some wires.
Just a little wiring.
Hey, look up. Smile. Thought he was super nice.
Gonna eat the paint and we're gonna lose the shop.
No tape. my God. All right.
Done. Right about there. Definitely odd view. It's you. The good thing about that 2016 got so much weight in my hand.
Cat needs a hug.
It's probably the best Smeagol I've heard in a long time.
Alright, do it again.
2, 3. Hold.
Okay, do it again.
There is no equal. Ooh, I might not have enough solder. Green, brown.
Scrap iron. Ain't going nowhere. Yeah. All right. So we've been plucking away at this thing. We got front brakes all ran to a T-block here. Got some stainless speedway brake lines. Ran it to both sides. Don't mind that wiring mess. Fix it later. Front brakes work. Functionable. Rear brakes, I just have it looped. I bled the master, left it there so I could work on the front and get them working. I got the tubing ran. That's copper coated steel, so it's strong. It'll handle the brake pressure. So anyways, I'll tie that up here, get it all hooked up. It's coming up the frame. I'll tie it in with some P-clips. I'll drop it down and under here. I have a Y block here. I'll hook up the hose over on this side of the frame, and the rear brakes will be done. We'll have brakes all the way around. Later I'll do a valve or something so I can cut off the rear brakes from being applied, so we can do burnouts, whatever we want. I put in a Barnes four-wheel drive battery box. They're super cheap, affordable, easy. I mean, I just use some scrap iron to hold it up, but that whole tray is not going anywhere. I mean, it's stout. Nice box, love it. That's the way we went. Got some taillights put on, got to wire them in. Transmission's full of oil. I got full torque driveline. They're out of Hayden, Idaho. They built that for us, along with every driveline I've ordered. They've done for us. Just a flexible dipstick tube for the Turbo 350. Ran a kickdown cable. Got to hook it up to the carb. Transmission cooler lines are ran. Tranny's full of oil. We've spun it on the stands. Made sure the tranny shifted. But once I get the rear brakes done, we'll put it on the ground. And maybe we'll run it through the gears, make sure we can hold back everything and see how it goes. So for today, I'm gonna finish the rear brakes, get them all hooked up, and yeah, we'll just see what else. Maybe I'll do the floor, finish the floor out, and maybe get the boards all bolted in and get seats put back in. And maybe we'll go take it for a little short test drive and do some donuts on the ice out in front of the shop. So literally, as I was talking to you guys, my new Y block showed up. So I'm gonna work on putting this in. Then I'll double flare that end and I'll bend everything into place, start P-clamping all the way down the frame and get it all double flared at the master, and then we can bleed back brakes. All right, got rear brake line ran. I just have to do one retaining clip for that brake line under there and bleed the brakes real quick. So with having the front and rear brakes done, we started picking away at the inside of the cab. And anyways, we got it all sealed up, seam sealed. Just threw a coat of bed liner on, ran out for the other side. You can see down there, just needs a little more. Got the back wall all attached with some leg bolts. Did some plating in the back and bolted through that. Brake lines in. Just need to finish this side a little bit. And still been putting it off. Nobody likes electrical, but I'll fix it up and get it all tied up right, looking good. So not too far off from being able to go take it for a few test drives. Actually, technically I could have dropped it off the stand today, but I got a few welds I want to do in the back and should be ready to drop down and put some seats in it and go take it for a drive. Thanks everybody for watching, and I appreciate everybody that's joining into my channel and giving me some likes, sharing my videos. Means a lot. And I can't wait to do a few more videos on this 59, my 49. I got another 29 that's up there in pieces, and it's a truck cab. I'm gonna rat rod it. And I got a little 4-cylinder. I'm in a turbo that's sitting in a box up there and bagged up. So we'll see. It'll be a fun adventure for the next year. All right, thanks.